Hello. Today we'll be covering how to create contracts with Nakisa Data Abstraction. Hi, I'm Tracy, a contract administrator. I'm responsible for abstracting and organizing contract data. I must extract and summarize essential information from documents to create new lease contracts manually. But with Nakisa Data Abstraction, I can now capture data faster, add traceability to data sources, and be more confident that errors are minimized. Nakisa Data Abstraction will help me extract and summarize essential information from lease documents in 3 steps. Step 1. Upload documents and create an abstraction job. To start, I navigate to the Lease Management homepage in the Nakisa Portfolio Management Suite. Then I locate and click on the Main Menu button on the top left corner of the page. I now select the new Abstraction Jobs option from the menu. This brings up the Abstraction Jobs homepage, where I can now create new abstraction jobs. I do this by clicking on the Create button on the upper right side of the page. In the pop-up, I can upload the lease documents that I need to abstract. The documents need to be uploaded in a zip folder. So for this abstraction job, I collected different PDF files into 4 different subfolders and put them all into a single zip folder. After selecting the zip folder, I click the Add button and complete the document upload. The abstraction job begins automatically, and I will be able to check the results shortly. Step 2. Review the abstraction job. Once the 5 documents have been fully processed, I can click on the View button on the right side of the page. I can now see the 4 groups of documents that were in the zip folder listed on the left side of the screen. I select the 3rd subfolder to look at the file inside and the data extracted from it. The PDF file is displayed in the center of the screen and can be navigated by clicking on the page counters at the top. The extracted information is presented on the right, and it's organized according to the data fields that I will need to complete during the contract creation process in Nakisa Lease Management. If I want to check the source of the extracted data in a particular field, I can hover the cursor over the information icon next to the data field. This will show a tooltip indicating the page number in the document where the information was obtained. Clicking on the information icon brings up the relevant page in the PDF document. I now want to check a different document, so I click on the last subfolder listed on the left side of the screen. If I want to search for specific information in the document, I can click on the Chat button located on the upper right side of the screen. This brings up the chat page, where I can ask specific questions about the information in the document or request help with specific topics common to real estate lease contracts. I'll click on the Rent button to ask for help with this information. The chat assistant suggests a question to ask about the topic, and I confirm by pressing Enter on my keyboard. The chat assistant now presents specific information about the rent in this lease contract. Step 3. Download the abstracted data. To download the data from the completed abstraction job, I click on the Download Import Template button on the right. I can now save the downloaded file. The data contained in the file is organized according to the specific fields that need to be completed in Nakisa Lease Management during the contract creation process. As the final step, this AI-generated file is now ready to be uploaded using the batch import process, simplifying contract creation in Nakisa Lease Management.